How to set voicemail to alert or silent on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on the phone application. Next, tap on the More button at the top. Then choose Settings. Now in Call Settings, we scroll down and tap on Voicemail. Here, tap on Notifications and then tap on Sound. Now if you want your voicemail to raise the alert, then select a sound in the list here, or if you want it to go silent, select silent. And that's it. So that's how you can set your voicemail alert sound to silent or alert. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.